Good day, guys. So today with me here is my drone bag, and I'll be showing you what's inside, how I move about with my setup. So the bag is from a company named Rise. Hopefully I pronounced that correctly. It's a very nice bag and has lots of room in it for accessories. So when you open it, the first thing is my screen. So I'm using an iPhone 11. I tried to use an Android and I was having issues initially, so I just decided to stick with this for now. It's a spare device, so that's what I use when I control my drone to see what I'm videoing. This is my SD card adapter. The SD card is obviously inside the drone itself. It's a Lexa Professional Silver Plus micro SD, so helps in transferring files to the PC easily and fast. This is ND filter set from a company named Solid Life. So here's what it comes with. So we have 6 filters for the gimbal, the camera. So ND4, ND16, 32, 8. This is MCUV, and then I have a CPL filter here. So that's that. Microfiber towel. What else is here? Okay, sets of extra propeller. This is another set of the controller joystick, brand new. Then I have a bunch of I have a bunch of cables, spare cables. So this is Type C to Type C, Type C to Lightning, Type C to Type C, and I still have another one that's inside the controller. Then I have 2 sets of screwdriver. So that's that for there. Then what I have here, this is an extra battery charging box. So if I want to charge the batteries simultaneously, I use this. So all these are charged already, except for this particular one because that was the one I used for my last flight. So it gives you the battery level, and you use this port Type C to charge it, and you can actually use this as a power bank as well. You can charge your device from this, but I wouldn't really recommend because you have limited flight time with this battery, so more is always good so that you get to capture as much as you can. Yeah, so you see the last one I told you is not filled up. If you don't have this, you'll be charging your battery directly from the drone itself. So you have to insert the battery inside the drone and then use the USB port to charge it, and then imagine having to charge 5 batteries. It's not really ideal, so it's best for you to just have a charging box that will charge everything simultaneously. So here is the controller. With the joysticks. So one nice thing with having this box is that I don't have to always set up my joysticks. It's just in there and I just pick it up. All I do is raise this up, then pull out the connector. This is lightning for the phone, and then I'm good to go. Plug the phone and you're good to go. Otherwise, if you don't have a bag like this, naturally what you do is you have to remove the controller sticks and you store it here. But I don't need to do that because of this box. So that's a perk of owning a nice box like this. So this is the controller for the drone, and then the drone itself. This is a DJI Mini 2. So this is a LED indicator, and then this is the SD card slots. This is the USB-C port. So that's all. Just decided to show you guys what I have in my collection. Catch you on the next one.